Hi, my name's Andy Grayson. I'm an engineer here at Neutronic Technologies, and today we're going to have a look at an LJU controller. These controllers are used a lot in the automotive industry, which is where this one is from. It's been sent in with an unknown error. Now that's not unusual in our industry. So let's have a closer look. There you go. That's the inside of one. This is a small, older unit. These have been used in industry for a long time. I'm just looking inside now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a 24-volt connector and power this up on external 24. There we go. LJU, it's booting up, and it's booting to an error 41, which conveniently this tells us is a motor over temp. So what's that also telling me is that internally the little internal power supply that generates the low voltages are working. But what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take it over on the 3-phase and put 415 on and see if it's generating its own 24 volts. Before that, I'm going to do some quick tests. And this is telling me that there's nothing wrong at the moment with the 3-phase input. So let's take the unit over to the 3-phase bench and power it up. Okay, here we are on the 3-phase bench. We're all ready for powering up on 415 volts. As we can see, there's no display. So this unit has a problem on its internal power supply. So here we are back at the workbench. And on inspection, I've noticed that this unit has still got its original caps. So the first thing I'm going to do is fully service this unit. So this is actually going to take a while, so I'm best seeing you later on. Okay, so we've completed the servicing, and during the servicing I noticed that there was some overheated resistors, so I've replaced those as well. So next thing, we've got to rebuild it and then test it. So the rebuild stage is now complete and we've got to go and test it. First we're going to test it on low voltage. Okay, powered up on 24 volts. And as you can see, we've got our error 41 back again, which is motor temp. So next, it's 3-phase. Right, here we are on the 3-phase bench. And now it's time to power up on 415 volts. The unit is booting. We've got a 0, no 41 this time because we have a motor connected. So there'll be no temperature alarm. What we can do also now is run the unit. And that's it. It's now generating its own 24 volts internally and it's fully working. Thanks for watching.